Friends, I, Digvijay Charan, welcome all of you in this session of Astrology. In this session, I will discuss about degree of planet. Degree means strength. Degree means how much strength it will be converted into result. You might have heard or observed that a planet in a particular situation gives either 100% result or 50% or even less result. Why it happens, it depends on degree. That I will explain in this session. This is a horoscope, for example. In this horoscope, as usual, there are 12 houses. Now each house has a width of 30 degree. Maybe first house, maybe fourth house, maybe seventh house, maybe 10th house, or maybe 12th house. Each house has a width or a span of 30 degree. So the total span or total width covered in the horoscope is 12 into 30 is 360 degree. What it practically means, if a planet moves from first house from 0 degree to 30 degree, if it comes to second house, then again 0 to 30. So it had traveled 60 degree till the end of second house. When I come to third house, again more 30 degree. So it will travel 90 degree when it comes to end of third house. Again 30 degree when it comes to the end of fourth house, it is 120 degree. So each house it travels a distance of 30 degree. So by the time it will reach the end of 12th house, the total distance traveled from the beginning point, total distance traveled will be 360 degree. So our space, solar space, is total 360 degree. A planet, it moves from the beginning of the first house, and by the time it comes to the end of 12th house, it has traveled 360 degree. Now I have written here some numbers. As I have told in very beginning that each number represents a Rashi. I will repeat here. 1 represents Aries, ruled by Mars. 2 represents Taurus, ruled by Venus. 3 represents Gemini, ruled by Mercury. 4 represents Cancer, ruled by Moon. 5 represents Leo, ruled by Sun. 6 represents Virgo, ruled by Mercury. 7 represents Libra, ruled by Venus. 8 represents Scorpio, ruled by Mars. 9 represents Sagittarius, ruled by Jupiter. 10 represents Capricorn, ruled by Saturn. 11 represents Aquarius, ruled by Saturn. And 12 represents Pisces, ruled by Jupiter. Now all these numbers represent Rashis, so there are 12 Rashis. Now all these 12 Rashis can be grouped into two groups, odd numbered and even numbered. Odd numbered Rashis are the digits which cannot be divided by 2, like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. So it is Aries, Gemini, Leo, Libra, Sagittarius and Aquarius. Now odd even numbered Rashi which can be divided by 2, like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12. So it is Taurus, Cancer, Virgo, Scorpio, Capricorn and Pisces. So there are two groups of Rashis. We call it ONR, odd numbered Rashi, or ENR, even numbered Rashi. Now at the time of birth of a person, it is indicated in the horoscope in which Rashi a planet is placed. For example, in this horoscope, suppose Sun is placed in Aries Rashi, where written 1. Now Sun may be at 5 degree, Sun may be at 25 degree. It depends on at the time of birth how much Sun has already traveled in this Rashi. At the time of birth, by the time of birth, Sun has traveled 5 degree, so in this house it will appear at 5 degree in the horoscope. If by the time of birth Sun had traveled 25 degree in the Aries Rashi, it will appear at 25 degree. So at the time of actual birth, what is the planet position in each Rashi? How much degree already traveled? Sun may be here, Mars may be here, Saturn may be here. Now Mars may be here 6 degree, Saturn may be here 8 degree. So Mars in Cancer had traveled that much distance. Suppose Mars is at 6 degree, it means Mars in Cancer has already traveled 6 degree by the time of birth. If Saturn is in a Scorpio is at 10 degree, it means by the time of birth Saturn has already traveled 10 degree in a Scorpio. So planets in each Rashi will have some degree. That indicates that by the moment of birth, how much distance in degree the planet had traveled. That is indicated by degree. Now how degree gives the idea about a strength, or how degree gives the idea that how much result will be obtained from the planet. Now odd numbered Rashi 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, Aries or Gemini or Leo, any Rashi, planet is placed. So for example, if Sun is placed in Aries Rashi, I am taking just example. Sun is in Aries Rashi. Suppose Sun is at 3 degree. It had traveled 3 degree already by the time of birth. So D means degree. Here D is more than 0 and equal to or less than 6. This symbol indicates equal to or less than. So degree is more than 0 or equal to 6 or less than 6. So if the degree is between these two range, the result is weak. Result is only 25%. If the Sun is in Aries with 10 degree, suppose, then 6 to 12. So degree is more than 6 but equal to or less than 12. So here the degree is between 6 to 12, so the result is 50%. Suppose Sun is in Aries, has a degree of 15 degree. So the result will be 100%. So because it is full strength. If the Sun is in suppose Gemini Rashi, which is also odd numbered. In Gemini Rashi, if Sun is at 20 degree, which is odd numbered Rashi, so at 20 degree means 25% result. If Leo Rashi, which is odd numbered Rashi, if Sun is at 26 degree, here 26 means between 24 to 30, so the degree is between 24 to 30, so result will be 10%. So these odd numbered Rashis, if you know the degree of the planet in that Rashi, you can know how much result will you obtained. 10, 20, 50, 100, whatever it is. So this is the significance of degree in the odd numbered Rashi. Now, same way you come to even numbered Rashi. Suppose in Taurus, 2 written here, if Venus is placed here, if Venus is placed at 4 degree, 4 means between 0 to 6, degree more than 0 equal to or less than 6. So 4 degree means 10% result. So Venus in Taurus will give 10% result if it is at 4 degree. Similarly, if suppose in Cancer, suppose Jupiter is at 10 degree. So Cancer is even numbered Rashi, 10 degree between 6 to 12 give 25% result. Again, suppose Virgo. In Virgo, suppose Mars is placed and Mars is at 15 degree. So 15 means 12 to 18, 100% result. Again, suppose Scorpio. If Jupiter placed here at 26 degree, so this is 25% result. If Jupiter placed here or Jupiter placed in this Capricorn Rashi, where 10 written at 20 degree, so 50% result. So in each Rashi where planet is placed, that Rashi is represented by a number. That number is odd or even. Odd number cannot be divided by 2, even number can be divided by 2. So if it is odd numbered Rashi, this is the table indicating the result out of total strength of the planet. Every planet 100% strength. But how much result it gives depends on the degree. Now in the case of even numbered Rashi, this is the table. You can know about how much result obtained. So sometimes people get surprised when they see that Sun is placed in Aries and does not give very good result, because Sun in Aries is exalted. In one video I have already covered exalted. Sun is exalted in Aries Rashi, but if it is at 3 degree or at 26 degree, it will not give good result. Friends, if Sun is in Aries Rashi at 3 degree, it is 25%, at 26 degree, 10%. So it is not only important where planet is placed, in which Rashi, it is also important it is placed with how much degree. Another aspect is if Rahu is placed in any house, I mean any Rashi. Suppose Rahu is placed in Scorpio Rashi at 15 degree. Now 8 means 15 means 100% result. So Rahu is placed in a Scorpio Rashi with 15 degree strength. It means it will give 100% bad result. Negativity will be very high. It will give 100% negative result. If Rahu is placed in a Scorpio at 2 degree, suppose this one, Rahu will give 10% result. So if a negativity of a negative planet or positivity of a positive planet will increase or decrease according to degree. Suppose Jupiter and Rahu both are placed in Leo Rashi. I am giving examples to explain you the importance of degree. Suppose in Leo, if Jupiter and Rahu are placed together, Jupiter at 3 degree and Rahu at 15 degree, what will happen? Rahu will suppress the positivity of Jupiter. Or another way I can say, Jupiter will try to reduce some negativity of Rahu. But ultimately what will be result will be a negative result of Rahu. But in the same Rashi, if Jupiter is at 15 degree and Rahu is at 3 degree, so Jupiter will overcome the negativity of Rahu and end result will be good result. So when there are one or more than one planet in any Rashi, you have to see their mutual interaction, or I can say their mutual behavior depending on the friendship table which I have explained in the very beginning. So if the opposite planets are in the same Rashi, one has to see the degree of the planets. Which one is stronger of the two opponents? So this way the degrees matter. And also, suppose this house Libra is 7 in Libra. Now here, suppose some planet will throw energy here, which is called vision. I have told you in the very beginning. Suppose a good planet is throwing energy here, so positive energy coming here. Suppose a negative planet like Rahu or Ketu is throwing, or Saturn is throwing negative energy here, so this house will receive both positive and negative energy due to vision. Now which energy will dominate? It depends on the planet which is throwing energy, it at how much degree. The planet which is throwing energy, negative energy, is at how much degree. So the end result depends on the degree. If the conflicting opposite planets are throwing energy or placed in a Rashi, end result depends on the mutual behavior, and that depends on the degree. So degree is very important in any horoscope. When you see a horoscope, certainly you have to see the placement of planet in a Rashi, whether it is own Rashi or friend's Rashi or enemy Rashi, whatever it is. Or Rashi of exaltation, Rashi where it is debilitated, whatever it is there. You can see my previous videos. That you will see the placement. But at the end, when you see the placement, at the end you see the degree. How much result will be obtained, negative or positive. Thanks.